tutorial is on Hatsune Miku, as you can see. I just wanted to tell you guys before you watch this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and leave your like on this video to help a fellow cosplayer out. Mwah! Let's get right into it!
Alright, so the first step is to use a good primer and a good moisturizer to leave that skin nice and smooth. And the next step is foundation. I'm using a foundation that's a little bit lighter than my own skin tone, but remember, skin tone does not define your cosplay. Use whatever color that you want. It doesn't matter. Just be happy. And now let's give our eyes a little bit of a highlight, so I'm applying some concealer in an upside down triangle shape under my eyes. And now just blend that with a brush or a sponge. And now moving on to the eyebrows, we're going to color them blue just like Miss Hatsune Miku's blue eyebrows. So for that I'm going to use a eyebrow brush and some white cream paint, and I'm going to brush that all over my eyebrows, and you can apply a generous amount. Just make sure you brush right through the hair so there won't be any excess product on your eyebrow. And now with a light blue eye pencil, preferably a soft and a very creamy one, you're going to go ahead and apply that on top of your eyebrows and color them in. And now for an extra anime-like effect, you're going to go ahead and outline those eyebrows. And you can use a pencil if you want, but it has to be very sharp and you have to be careful that it doesn't go over the line. And now I'm just outlining again with a black eyeshadow and an angled brush. And now with a white eye pencil, you're going to color in your waterline, and you're going to go a little bit over your waterline as well. This will give our eye an effect that it's bigger and wider, because anime dolls and characters have really big eyes and we don't, so we got to create an illusion that we do. And now with white eyeshadow and a small eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to go ahead and set under my waterline to make sure that that white eye pencil doesn't run or move. Okay, so moving on to the eyeliner, we're going to use the eyeliner in this situation to create a doll-like eye. So we're going to outline our eyes very heavily, just like the image of Hatsune Miku, as you can see. She has a very thick line in her eyes, so I'm going to give my eyes the illusion that they're like rounder and bigger by using the liquid liner to draw that shape. It also helps a lot when you mark out where your drawings are going to connect with each other. That helps you bring them together in a very straight and organized way, and it helps me a lot too, so I hope this technique helps you too. So I like marking little dots and then connecting them afterwards so I know exactly what it's going to look like. And here I'm connecting the liquid liner with the fake waterline that we drew with the white pencil. So I'm outlining that part, and it gives an illusion that that is my eye, so it makes it look bigger.
And continuing with the use of the liquid liner, now we're going to use it to draw fake lashes. So it's kind of like you're drawing a cat eye except multiple times to make them look like lashes. And now you're going to do the exact same thing on your other eye. And again with the false lashes, I'm using the liquid liner to draw lower lashes. And now I'm just applying some mascara on my real lashes, and then I'm going to put false lashes on top of them. And for the lower falsies, we're gonna glue them exactly where we drew that fake anime eye. So they're gonna be glued right on top of that liquid liner, the black line. And for an extra anime effect, I am outlining the drawing of my crease like a half moon, a very thin line. This will make you look more anime-like, and also it'll make your eyes look bigger. I must have said that like 500 times on this tutorial, but yeah, since we use a thick amount of liquid liner, this helps your eyes look more open and bigger. And now for the lips, I'm using a very soft pink color because she's very sweet, so she needs a sweet color for her lips. And this is the part where you look extra cute, blush. So for the blush, I'm using a very soft pink as well, just like the lips, and we're gonna apply that on the top of our cheeks, right on the center. That makes it look like you're shy and you're embarrassed. You notice that a lot of anime characters have that. The blushes right on top makes them look shy and timid, and that's an effect that we're going for. So we're gonna just apply that and concentrate the blush right in that area. And for extra texture and also anime effects, I'm gonna go ahead and use a white liquid liner and make very soft white lines on top of the blush. And with the blush residue left on the brush, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that and blend it. And of course, Miss Hatsune Miku has to have some highlight, so I'm just going back with some highlighter, highlighting the bridge of my nose and also my cheeks. And that is it for the Hatsune Miku makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and leave your like on this video, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Until my next video.